Alonso now in control. Pass number 14 now. Number 40 towards right shot. Short rebound. There's number 8. Pass to number 14 sa kabila. Alibaya, Manuyag. Back to Alibaya. Sarmiento, backdoor pass. Number 42, traveling. Alonso now in control, setting a play. Alonso for 3. In and out, offensive rebound. Dixon put that on the knees. Apostol, kick out pass it there for 3. Look it again. Rebound. Jersey number 1. Manuyag now, pass to number 17 now. Pass to teammate Alibaya for 3. Wala. Butter for the rebound. Number 14 now in control. 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 71 for 3. Yeah, there's number 1 Manuyag. 8 minutes and 27 seconds left. Scoreless pa rin tayo dito sa 4th period. Garcia, pass to Alibaya now. Looking for the open. 10 on the shot clock. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. That's a good call. And 8 seconds. Here's number 20 now, in control. Alonso. Oh! Out of balance shot. 48-41. That's ang tinatawag doon, lucky shot. Score natin. Number 16, Alibaya, kick-off pass. Sarmiento, fake, backdoor pass. Recover the ball. Another kick-off pass. Manuyag for 3. Wala pa rin. Rebound, jersey number 14. On the letter. Pass to Nidea rather. Pass to number 4 now. Alpon Apostol to Dizon. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Game clock. Dizon. Pass to Alonso. Fake. 10 on the shot at 9. 8, 7, 6. Number 17. Drive. Nugget. Too strong. Advance ball now. Dizon.